In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Bluetooth to Nissan Pathfinder 2013. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have a Nissan Pathfinder 2013, you will be able to set it up in conjunction with any modern smartphone over Bluetooth. So regardless if you have Android or iOS, you can get this connection done. To do this, go into the dashboard and access these settings. So use the setting button and this will bring up all of the categories that you can manage on your Nissan. In here, you should see Bluetooth. If this dashboard looks different to you, then you can still find Bluetooth, but it might be in a different menu. Sadly, I cannot cover every single model in this video, but if yours looks like this, it's going to be available here at the bottom left corner. Once you go into Bluetooth, you will see the connected devices, but if you have never paired your phone to this model, then just go over to Connect Bluetooth. You can also select Edit Bluetooth info if you would like to change the name of the Bluetooth connection and also set up a custom PIN aka passcode. But once you go into Connect Bluetooth, you will see the option and you can pair a Bluetooth device. Now usually what has to be done is that this car is now going to look for nearby devices to pair with when you go into this menu, and if you look under the Bluetooth options on your phone, it is going to appear here. Make sure that Bluetooth is enabled, of course, and you can choose your car according to the name that is being displayed. Confirm the passcode, so if you are prompted, include the same passcode as your car's dashboard, and once you choose it here, input the passcode, the connection will have been established. There is no secret to this. Your iPhone will be connected, and now with Bluetooth enabled, you can play audio from your phone and use any other Bluetooth capable features. Your device will remain connected, and you can manage it under connected devices. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Bluetooth to Nissan Pathfinder 2013. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.